Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics: a 4G-capable phone and your Airtel SIM in the primary 4G slot. Once done, purchase an official Airtel Unlimited 4G pack via the My Airtel app or the carrier UST code. This ensures system activation. After payment, make sure your balance shows the plan as active, then restart the phone to let network settings refresh. You do this because the restart forces the network to push the plan features to your SIM, enabling full 4G access. Next, you configure the network so the unlimited plan works reliably. Go to Settings, choose Mobile Networks and set network mode to 4G or LTE. This locks the radio to the fastest band. Then check the APN, add or edit an entry named Airtel with app and Airtelpers and type default, supple so data and tethering route correctly. Once done, restart the phone again, enable mobile data, and run a quick speed test or play a short HD video to confirm throughput and stability. Finally, if you want unlimited internet on other devices, enable portable hotspot and set a strong WPA2 password. Keep the connected device count low to maintain speed. Once connected, monitor speeds and plan status in the My Airtel app and close background apps that hog bandwidth. This preserves performance. If connectivity or speed drops, toggle airplane mode then off, reinsert the SIM, or reset the APN. Key troubleshooting tip: performing those resets usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.